This is a cool area right here. I actually stumbled into the school right when I was doing my whole rant about having the worst day ever, and the unluckiest day, I suppose. But I wanted to talk about, since we just arrived in Korea, there are a couple of things I learned immediately that I wanted to share. Firstly, there is a train that runs from the airport to basically where you would want to be. And I made the mistake of booking a place that was about a 30-minute walk with 2 luggages to, a place to stay. I should have just booked a place that was close by to one of the stations that actually, the airport station heads to. That would have been the easiest. Secondly, I made a mistake of buying some random card thing. I'm wondering if they have something similar to Suica, where I can just put it in my phone. I should have checked on that. I don't know the answer to that, but part of me feels like it's a yes. So I will check on that later. But I probably could have saved 6,000 won and not have bought that random card. Actually, I have it with me. Let me see. Yeah, this thing. I mean, it's kind of cute, but I feel like it's not going to work at a certain point. So what's the point of having it? So that's one thing. Or that's another thing. And then, yeah, I think that's the primary two lessons I learned. Is just book a place that's close to a station, so you don't have to walk so far, and then check the whole transit card thing if it's available for your phone, which I will do. Or maybe I won't do it, because at this point I already got this thing and charged it, so I'm gonna just stay here for 3 days, so whatever. At this point it's a lesson learned, and I'll do it next time. But yeah, those are just 2 quick lessons that I learned from. Oh yeah, and there's also a mobile thing, an e-ticket thing that you can do for immigration purposes, similar to Japan basically. It'll help speed things up, but it seems like the airport has Wi-Fi and you can use it to finish the thing. That's what I did while you're in line, because sometimes the immigration stuff has a long line. Okay, that's basically it. Catch you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, what I wanted to also say is Apple Maps sucks major ass in Korea for whatever reason. It did not show that there was an airport bus, not bus, but the train. It didn't show that for whatever reason. I have no idea why Apple Maps sucks so much in Korea, but even Google Maps doesn't show the roads correctly. For instance, I was trying to get to, I don't know how to say it properly, Sinchon station from wherever my stay was, and it told me to go around the school, but I accidentally went in the school and it cut 10 minutes. So I don't know, maybe it's just the maps around the school. But either way, I feel like Maps and Google Maps, both of them kind of suck in Korea. Maybe there's a better app. I think my cousin's using Naver or something like that. So yeah, just wanted to add that.